Welcome back to the Car Updates. The 12 Cilindri is a testament to Ferrari's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive design. Its sleek, aerodynamic lines exude power and elegance. Every curve and contour is meticulously sculpted to enhance both beauty and performance. The iconic Ferrari shield, proudly displayed on the front, is a symbol of prestige and exclusivity. Interior. Step inside, and you're enveloped in a world of luxury and performance. The interior is a symphony of premium materials, exquisite craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology. The driver-oriented cockpit is designed to put you in complete control, while the sumptuous seats offer unparalleled comfort and support. Under the hood lies the heart of this automotive masterpiece, a naturally aspirated 12-cylinder engine that delivers a symphony of power and sound. This iconic power plant is a testament to Ferrari's unwavering dedication to pure performance. With every rev, the engine comes alive, producing a mesmerizing symphony that will send shivers down your spine. On the road, the 12 Cilindri is a force of nature. Its razor-sharp handling, blistering acceleration, and impeccable braking inspire confidence and exhilaration. The car feels alive in your hands, responding instantly to your every command. Despite its immense power, the 12 Cilindri remains remarkably composed. Advanced suspension technology ensures a smooth and controlled ride, even on the most challenging roads. The braking system is equally impressive, capable of bringing this beast to a halt with incredible precision. The Ferrari 12 Cilindri is more than just a car, it's an experience. It's a statement of success, a symbol of passion. This is a vehicle that will ignite your senses and elevate your driving pleasure to new heights. The Ferrari 12 Cilindri, where art meets engineering. Highlight any unique features or technologies that set the 12 Cilindri apart from its competitors.